Why isn't it zooming in?
You can't zoom in.
We are at Super 8, and this is our hotel.
Motel.
Shut up.
Not hotel.
No, oh my god, it doesn't zoom out.
That's fine.
What the fuck is that? It's fucking waving at us. What shit is that? Oh my god. It's gone. So take a look at our beautiful motel. Gorgeous. Brenda. Let's go up there. We're gonna go to our room now. It's fucking freezing. Damn, this is like a long ass hallway. I fucking swear we need to do something. Scary, man. Woo! We get the first view of everything. Oh, this is our hotel room. No, you messed up. You're supposed to take a picture of it. Oh. Dumbass.
Gotta come out again.
Go, Brenda. We're not supposed to be in the green light. Oh. Do it again.
Light.
No. Here's our messy, like, motel room. Such a mess. And everything.
It's pretty, right? Right?
Whatever. We're watching American's most funniest video. Yo, what's up? We got this. Oh shit. We got this whole place to ourselves. Quartet. No, it's the other one. Oh wait. I didn't know that.
Now you do.
Quartet. I look all messed up and I'm like all cold. And that's Brenda's little brother.
Hey.
Hey.
What is BB? What's BC?
I don't know. Which ball?
And yeah, this is our food. We got them whole New Year. Some nasty chicken. Yep. Watch me do a flip.
Nicole and her flips. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna do it. 1, 2, and 3. You hit Bobby. Go, Brenda, go.
No, I'm good.
Go, Nita. Watch you do it. Go.
No, I'm good.
Go.
Daddy, I can't do this shit.
Hurry.
I'm gonna swim.
What?
No, I'm gonna swim. That's it.
You're gonna swim. How?
I'm gonna do a flip. I'm gonna swim.
Yeah, that's weird.
I'm sure these little girls would be glad to step in.
Oh boy.
I know.
Where you go, I'll go. Where you stay, I'll stay. When you move, I'll move. I will follow. All your ways are good. All your ways are sure. I will trust in you alone. Higher than my sight, high above my life. I will trust in in you